Good day to all grade 7 students. In this video lesson, we are going to tackle the activity 3 of unit 3 module 4, the colors of light or the color of life. So the activity objectives, in this activity you should be able to make a color spectrum wheel, explore the characteristics of color lights, and observe how primary colors combine to form other colors. So color spectrum wheel pattern, a cardboard or illustration board, white screen, plastic filters, green, blue, and red, 3 pieces of high-intensity flashlights, button, fastener, glue or paste. For the part 1, the color wheel, cut the 2 art files that make up the wheel on the next pages. So cut along the lines drawn on the top wheel, cut the 2 sides as shown. The small window near the center of the wheel should be completely cut out and removed. So punch a hole at the center of the 2 wheels. You may use a button fastener to secure the 2 wheels together, one on top of the other, but they should be free to rotate relative to each other. So when you see a region of the color spectrum show up in the open window in the WFE or the wavelength, the frequency and energy that correspond to that region showing up under the flaps, then you know that you have done it right. So ito po yung gugupitin ninyo. So dapat po yan yung pagkabilog ang kukunin natin at ididikit nyo po sa cardboard pampatigas para pag ikot po niya magandang tignan. So panoorin po natin ito. Ayan, tumapat sa violet, nandun po yung kanyang energy. Ayun, nandiyan ang kanyang frequency saka ang wavelength. Ayun, violet, blue, green, yellow, andun ang katapat. So orange, red. So ganun lang po siya kasimple. So ayan, simulan natin sa red. Ayun, orange, yellow, green. Ayan, ayun po yung mga corresponding wavelength and frequency niya. So ganun lang po kasimple ang gagawin ninyo. So the part 2, characteristics of light. Try out your color spectrum wheel by positioning the innermost of the flaps on the color spectrum. O yung binanggit natin, ito na. So fill upan nyo po ito, itong part na to. Ilan yung frequency, pag tinignan nyo po doon sa tapat, ilan yung frequency ng red, ilan yung wavelength. And then, tingnan po natin dito. Yan, violet. Nakita nyo po yung violet. Sulat nyo dito yung violet. Ito yung 744 terahertz dito sa frequency. And then yung wavelength is 400 nanometer. So wala po nakalagay na energy dito. So ito naman, frequency times wavelength, ito yung speed ng color. So yung speed, ano po, yung meter per second. Mamaya ipapakita natin paano yun i-compute. Ayan. Ayan, near UV rays. Ayan, 1000 terahertz, 300 nanometer. Ayan, yung isa naman is violet, 744. So pwede nyo na pong isa-isahin yan. So next po tayo. Kayo na pong bahalang magtingin dyan kung saang part. And then kukunin natin kung paano po ito kinompute naman itong frequency times wavelength. Napansin nyo po yung red dun sa color spectrum is 422 terahertz. And then ang kanyang wavelength is 700 nanometer. So kaya lang, bago po natin i-compute yan based dun sa previous na sinabi, you have to convert first ditong terahertz to hertz. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng terahertz, ng tera? Ilang hertz ba yan? Ang katapat po niyan is, ayan, ilan po yan? Ito ay 100, 1,000, million, billion, trillion hertz. Ang katapat po niya, 1 trillion hertz. So kung 422, automatic, ita-times lang natin sa 1 trillion. So equivalent po yan sa 422 trillion hertz, itong 422. Or kung i-convert po natin sa scientific notation, ito po ay i-adjust natin dito, ang tuldok niya dito sa dulong 0. Kung i-adjust natin yan, from this place up to this, kung ilang 0 po yan, di 12 plus 1 to the 14. Kaya 4.22 times 10 raised to 14 hertz. Ito po, i-convert lang natin itong 422 trillion hertz sa scientific notation. So ito naman sunod po, itong wavelength, 700 nanometer. Kasi ang unit po ng ito is meter per second. Meaning, ito pong hertz kasing ito, ang katapat niyan is per second. Kung i-convert natin sa may second na unit, ang hertz is equivalent to per second. At ito naman nanometer, i-convert natin siya sa meter bago siya maging meter, i-convert po natin. So, ang isang nanometer po is equivalent to 1 billionth or 1 over 1 billion. So, 1 billion part or 1 billionth ang katapat po niyan sa meter. So, 700 nanometer times 1 meter over 1 billionth. Ano po, nanometer. So, kakancel nyo lang po itong nanometer. Nanometer, cancel yan. Ang matitirang unit is meter. So, ayan, kinancel na po natin. So, ang mangyari po, 700 times 1 meter, ito na, 700 meter, divide by 1 billion. So, meaning, yan ay ito, ilang zeros po yan ang niyan. So 2467, 246 na zeros meter. Yan po ang katapat ng 700 nanometer. So kung ita-times po natin 4.22, ito na yung nakuha natin na katapat na hertz times ito yung meter. So ayan, ita-times natin. So ang equivalent pag tinimes mo itong 4.22 times itong meter na to is equivalent dito. So mayroon tayong 5 zeros, 2954 times 10 raised to 14. Kinapi lang natin yung power of 14 o sa power of 10 meter per second. So dapat po sa scientific notation lagi may whole number. So i-adjust natin ito dito hanggang dito. Meaning ito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Magigi po siyang 6 places ang i-adjust natin papunta sa kanan. So mababawasan yung 14, magigi siyang 8. So in-adjust lang po natin yung tuldok para makuha natin yung 2.954 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Ngayon i-round off po natin itong 2.954 na ito. So that is rounded off to 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Yan na po yung magiging sagot dito. Meaning ito po yung speed ng light. Kasi nga yan ay yung color spectrum na yan, part yan ng light, ng white light. Kayo naman po ang sasagot dito. Kunin nyo yung frequency nito, kunin yung wavelength nito, sagutan niyo. Ano kayo magiging sagot pa rin dito? So ganito rin lang din po ang gagawin ninyo. At ito naman pong electrovolt na ito ng energy. Hindi given dun sa ginawa nating color spectrum. Kung napansin niyo wala po siya dun. So kung i-compute po natin yan, so to compute the energy, the formula should be Hc divided by W. Ang ipo dyan, energy, ang H stands for Planck's constant. The C stands for the speed of light, which is this one, 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And the W stands for wavelength. Pero ang symbol po ng W talaga, ng wavelength talaga is lambda. Hindi po ganyan na W. Pero ito pong ginamit dito. So ito mahabang po ito. Kaya hindi pa naman to underneath itong lesson na to. So ang Planck's constant po pala is 6.62. Yan. Times 10 raised to negative 34. So maliit na number po yan. Kasi kung ang negative 34, lalagyan mo yan dito ng 34 places papunta dito na zeros. Meaning 33 zeros ang dadagdag mo dyan pakaliwa. Bibigay ko na muna po yung value ng energy. Ito po yung value ng energy ng bawat kulay. So, which color registers the highest frequency? Doon sa ginawa nyo pong table. And shortest wavelength. Okay, the violet has the highest frequency. It has also the shortest wavelength. Meaning, the higher the frequency, the shorter the wavelength. Yung pinakamataas ang frequency, yun ang pinakamaikli ang wavelength. Number 2, which color registers the lowest frequency and then the longest wavelength? That is the color red. So, among the Roy G. Biv, ang pinakamababang frequency ay ang red at pinakamahaba naman ang wavelength. So what do you observe with the wavelength and frequency of the different colors? So the wavelength decreases as the frequency is increased. So habang umiikli ang wavelength, tumataas ang frequency, meaning tumataas din po niya ng energy. So what did you observe with the product of wavelength and frequency for each color? What is the significance of this value? So the product of frequency and wavelength in all color lights is constant and equal to the speed of light in vacuum. Yun, nasagot na po yung minultiply natin. Lahat po yun, dapat ang sagot kapag ni-round off mo is 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. That is the speed of light. What can you say about the speed of the different colors of light and air? So that should be the same. Constant and equal to the speed of visible light. Give a plausible explanation as to why white light separate into different colors. So white light separate in color light due to the process known as dispersion. So yung paghihiwalay pala po ng kulay ng white light into rainbow. Yung di ba yung color ng rainbow is Roy G. Biv, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. As white light enters the glass interface, different color light exhibit different refractive indices, thus separates into the visible color lights. So cover the lens of the flashlight. Ito naman po yung part 2. Yung lalagyan natin ng mga filter. Yan. Halimbawa, green filter, yung balot ng pulburon, yun po ang gamitin natin. Green, blue, red. Tingnan natin itong sa video. Ayan, kulay pulang plastic ang ginamit natin. So tingnan nyo, kitang-kita naman kulay pula dun sa screen. So yun ang sasagot niya po dito. Next po, try natin ang blue. Ayan, blue. Ayan. So blue din po, kitang-kita naman natin. Green, of course, expected. Ayan. Ayan, ito naman, green plus blue, blue plus red, red plus green, and red plus green plus blue. Ano kaya magiging itsura? Ito po, panoorin po natin yung mga combination din, kagaya nung ginawa natin kanina. Kung ano yung color combination na nakikita natin. Ayan, red. Yan po yung nakikita natin. So, green. Ayan, combine natin ang red saka ang green. So, yellow po ang na-appear. Yun. Kapag sinagad natin yung green saka red. So, red and blue, yun, nakita din na kanina natin doon sa plastic. Talagang ganyan, pinkish po siya. And green and blue, yan, blue-green. Light blue po, sky blue ang dating. Kung yung tatlo po, pula. Ay, puti. Ano po? Ayan, puti. Kagaya nung sa video natin kanina. Ayan. Ayan, dispersion, a special kind of refraction provided as color lights. This phenomenon is observed when white light passes through a triangular prism. So, prism po ang tawag dun sa materials that can be able to separate the different colors of the white light. When white light enters a prism and travels slower in speed than in vacuum, color separation is observed due to a variation of the frequencies and wavelength of color lights. Remember the concept of refractive indices in the previous module. The variation in frequencies and wavelengths are caused by the different refractive indices of the varying color light. Thus, blue light with greater refractive index refracts more and appears to bend more than red light. But, do you really think that light will bend when traveling in space? The last activity in this module will test your ability to design an experiment to test if lights travel in a straight line or not. So, ito po yung glass prism, ano po, na nagsiseparate ng colors of white light.